All right, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. How are we feeling? Let me do a quick little audio check here. Good morning. I'm gonna start marking this up right now. Actually, it looks like that might be our orb high. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen and ladies. How are we feeling? Good morning. It is a beautiful day here on my part of the world. Who's with me here this morning? Who's with me here this beautiful morning? Sound off if you can. Want to see everybody's beautiful names and whatnot. It is a beautiful morning. Coffee in hand, taking a couple sips. I am ready to rock and rolleth. All right, so I'm pretty confident that this will be our low and our high for the first 15 minutes. So we'll just leave that there. Just leave that there for the time being. Don't want to drop it down yet, but let's just take a little peek at the 1 minute. Why not? The Amazon, very nice, man. W's in the chat for the Amazon. In fact, if nobody's here, I'll do it for you. Hold on, where is it? Where's my chat at? Hold up, I have it somewhere. W's in the chat. W. Amazon, congratulations. The Amazon, congratulations, my bad. 100s. This emoji. That emoji. Congratulations. Thank you. All right, guys. So once again, this isn't a part of the usual Stoic philosophy here, but I usually like marking up the first 15 minutes, the orb low and orb high, which is basically just the first 15, the wicks, the body of the entire first 15-minute candle of the day. You don't have to do that. That's just something that I like to do. Just to put some type of level on my chart. Like to see what's going on there. So, let's see what we got here. All right, so it looks like that everything below the hourly is probably going to be bearish, right? Yeah, so our SMAs are all kind of suggest that we would just want to keep on remaining bearish. So I'm kind of looking for shorts today, but being very, very, very careful. We have been shorting for all week, honestly, and I don't want to get caught up. So we'll see what happens. A couple more seconds here. Oh, I'm sorry. We've already made it. Sir Seeker, good to see you, man. What's up? Okay, so my account is officially unlocked. SMA says we should be pumping down here. Let me look at my 5 minute. It might be a 5-minute play here. Nah, not really. I'm not getting an engulfing candle yet. But I am going to remain bearish. Here today. See if we can find some shorts. Trying not to just, since I'm so close to pass this combine, I'm trying to not just press the button, you know what I mean? Even though it does kind of look like you could just short this sucker now. Just going with momentum. But nah, we're going to try and do this right. Not try, we're going to do this right. So yeah, we're going to do this. We're going to do this right. We're going to do this right. We're going to do this right. Oh, short all the way today. Yeah. Yeah, looking for shorts, looking for shorts. Just need a little bit of structure to form up, that's all. Yeah, if this was like an engulfing candle, that would have been perfect, but it's not, so. Yeah, 5 minutes is really pushing this thing down. Yeah, we may start to see price just start to get hammered here. Because if shorts are in play, first 15 minutes, we're still within like the 9 o'clock hour. I would imagine that we just start to like pummel down like really quickly if she wants to do it. So just waiting here. Trying my best not to do anything hasty. This does look good for a short if you're one of those ICT guys. This is your first presented fair value gap of the day. I usually don't take these because I can't feel a lot. But this could be pretty decent for this to pump on downwards. The SMAs are very close together. We got a closure below the or below. I mean, it would be nice, but hey. Question: you take the orbs in first 15, not 9:30 to 10. Yeah, I do the first 15 minutes. Why? I'm not too sure. I just the first video I've seen of the orb said the first 15 minutes. So you could probably do the first. I've seen people do like the first 5 minutes, and even the first even like the first minute of the day, which is absurd to me. But yeah, you could do whatever you want. I just so happen to choose the first 15 minutes. That's all. No rhyme or reason to it. It's the first one I saw, and I've just been sticking with it. Seems like a high enough time frame for me to look at stuff. So I kind of want to take this short right here. I do 5 minutes. Yeah. Suerte does the first 5 minutes. I've seen a lot of people do a lot of things with the opening range, so you can do whatever you want there. I kind of want to take this short. I kind of want to take this short. But I'm gonna wait for confirmation. We may just want to wick down and buyers just buy this thing all the way. We got a wick down on the 5 minute, not a closure below it. SMAs kind of suggest that we want to push on downwards, and yeah, glad I didn't take that. Yeah, SMAs kind of suggest that we want to keep on pushing on downwards, but you never know. Let me check one more time. I think we just had 8:30 this morning per usual. I don't think we have anything else. Oh no, we have 10 a.m. We have existing home sales. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. We had flash services at 9:45. Man, where was I at? Yeah, we had red folder news at 9:45, and we have some more news, minor news at 10 a.m. Wow, I was not hip. Yeah, 10 a.m. news. Okay. Yeah, we may just wait for the dust to settle a little bit. That's a little weird. Yeah, I'm gonna stay off for right now. Let's not make today harder than what it needs to be. Yeah, we're close to passing, but it's like still gotta follow rules and whatnot. If this can close engulfing though, I would consider that. That's in 4 minutes though, and that's like 5 minutes before news. It's like, I don't know. It seems choppy at the moment. Very choppy. I may just wait until after news with this. So I'm going to place a dummy trade real quick, guys. This is not an actual trade. I'm moving over to my practice account. I just want to get a feel of volume and stuff like that. Please do not consider this an actual trade. It's not an actual trade right here. All right, cool.
Order filled.
Practice account. So oh wow, yeah, we may need to we may be able to just dumb this down to just 2 micros today. Wow. Yeah, that's incredible. And I would have passed right there if I would have did it, guys.
Order filled.
Yeah, so come back here and probably bounce right back up, I suppose. Yeah, anything could happen in a market like this, so staying patient. Staying patient with my bearish bias remaining intact. But I'm kind of glad that I looked at the markets. I was thinking about going 3 micros just to try and get this over with, but even three seems kind of heavy right now. I mean, yeah, like if I put it up to the next candle high, that's $200. So it's like it's a bit much. I may just go 2. So if I would have did I would just do 2 micros and show right there. It's still like $100. Oh, I'm sorry, wrong number. 2 micros, 80, yeah, like $80, something like that. I kind of like that better. All right, cool, that works. That works. All right, so we're probably about to get this engulfing right here. I would love it if we go lower, but we rejected this level pretty hard after taking this low. Usually means that buyers want to just step in again, but we'll see in another minute or so. Yeah, cascading downward here. I don't see any SBS. Well, let's see. No, I personally don't see an SBS happening right now. Yeah, like this range is a little too wide. Yep, chop city. Alright, that is a bearish engulfing on the 5 there. I may just take this little stab here, guys. May take a little stab here.
Order filled.
Alright, I am in those shorts, guys. Stops at this 5-minute high right here. Hoping that we can come down a little bit lower. A lot of wicks rejecting here though. Come on, just hit it. Almost there, and boom, passed. Cool. All right, guys, that's my day. I'll see you guys later. That's my day. I will see you guys later. Boom, bow. See, nothing spectacular, nothing crazy, just nice price action. Show the chart execution. Boom, bow. Yeah, nothing too fancy. Nothing too fancy. I'm done. Take the screenshot to show people I trade. Nice and easy 5-minute engulfing play. Hey, Swerte, appreciate that, man. Seems like a 5-minute close below the orb below. Go for it. Oh, my bad. I didn't even see your. Appreciate you, Seeker, but I didn't even read that comment. But I'm glad we were thinking on the same thing. We were on the same wavelength. So if you guys know me, besides SBS, I do like to play these engulfing patterns in congruence with the SMA. Only 5-minute engulfings though. Please don't get into this habit of taking like 1-minute engulfings. That shit is crazy. So like 5-minute engulfing, price comes up. The next 5 minutes should come up just a little bit. Stop above the 5-minute high and take it a little bit lower. So yeah. At least I can go to work early today. Please, Swerte, please don't leave. Don't worry about me, bro. Don't worry about me, please. Get the bag, secure the bag. Don't worry about me. Go to work. Go to work, go to work, go to work, go to work. Don't be late because of me and my petty stream. But yeah. I'm gonna take a screenshot right here as well. I have a soft rule of well, let me not put this part because I don't want people to see that I overtraded that week. Haha. I have a soft rule that if I go undefeated the entire week, I'm taking Friday off. So just to let you guys know, if I do stream, I might not stream tomorrow. Because obviously I had a really good week. So I probably won't be here tomorrow. I may or may no, I won't. I probably won't be here tomorrow. So don't look for me tomorrow. Don't look for me tomorrow. But yeah. Guys, that's it. That's it. That's my one and done. How's everybody else doing? Anybody take these shorts? Yeah, caught the 618 entry at the top of my 1R. Very nice, Huerta. Very nice, Huerta. Very nice. So, Secker, appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. Appreciate my faithfuls being here. You guys rock. W's in the chat. She gets like some, YouTube is kind of lame that way. I can't like do like sound effects and stuff like that. So, hey. Yeah, guys, I got nothing else. We can still hang out here though, and look at that. It closes the account. I'm glad I took my screenshots. I was kind of afraid of that. Like, yeah. So I guess when you pass Top Step now, it just closes everything out, which is not bad, I guess. It didn't sleep. 11:45 candle, very close to it. Yeah. I would be very careful right here today. Like something about prices is really confusing me right now. I'm feeling, you know me. I'm a better bull than I am a bear. For whatever reason, I have no proof of it. I just have this feeling that bulls are just gonna come out of nowhere today. Like after we took this low right here once again, and look at all these bulls that just came out in the last 5 minutes. So I would be extremely careful today, because this could be one of those days where the SMAs won't be respected, and your idea of direction could be a little bit wrong today. Because everything on every time frame says to be bearish, but as we know, Nasdaq is permanently bullish. It only goes up. So this could be one of those days where we go like, hey, forget all that, we're going up. I see some liquidity up here too, kind of, sort of. We could want to come and take these highs up here. I see this right here. This is a yummy spot for the market to kind of attack as well. So once again, I am not an ICT trader, but I do like to keep this one idea of this, like these soft edges in the market. I do like to keep that. So whenever I see something like this, I go like, okay, maybe price will want to draw to that, because it does it a lot. Once again, not an ICT trader. I don't prescribe to the ICT nonsense, but I do take like one or two things from that camp. Everything else is SBS and Stoic STP. So be very careful today, guys. That is a huge bullish engulfing. We may have just taken this low to go right back up, but we're still in the range. So try not to get chopped up in this first like orb. Try not to get chopped up in here. Wait for premium spots. Wait for actual objectives to get hit. I mean, not objectives, but actual market structure to kind of tell you what's happening. Because I'm telling you, this is going to be tricky today. This is going to be tricky today. I'm gonna place myself on a brief mute, but I am right here. I will be in group chats. I'm looking at my chat. So yeah. Yeah, I wasn't talking, Brando. Appreciate it. Yeah, appreciate it. I was just doing a couple screenshots here. So I like once again be very careful here today. I know that we don't usually prescribe to the whole liquidity thing, but I'm thinking that price may be drawn to the upside today. Um, yeah, this kind of makes me think that price wants to like tag this, and we have like this little smoothness right here that maybe price wants to tag as well. We had this huge push back up after pushing back down. Yeah, this is
Good morning, everybody.
and oh wow, hold up guys. I can hear my own stream. My God, that's ugh. Let me stop that. Anyway, what was I saying? What was I saying? This may be a weird day. SMAs may be disrespected today, and which is why I'm like, hey man, be careful. Be careful. Be careful. There are times where the SMAs will be disrespected, and that could be a death sentence for me. So I'm like, yeah, we're gonna chill out. We're gonna chill out for a second. Yeah, we're gonna chill out for a second because something doesn't feel right. Yeah, I'm glad we made our monies and we got the hell out of the market, guys. We got our monies and we're out of the market today, guys. And I'm very happy for it. I'm very happy for it. Of course, they closed my account, so I can't show you the chart executions anymore. But I did take that 5-minute play short in congruence with the SMAs here. This is the only thing I saw today, so I guess I'll put this back up. Got a pretty good entry on this thing too. Had a pretty good entry on this thing. So yeah, this might be an early stream here today, guys. Might be an early stream today. I have no knowledge to give you. Let me say blah blah blah. All right, so now I got to pony up some more money for Top Step. Yay. With the hopes that I'll stay disciplined this time. We will. We will. So how's everybody else doing? Everybody taking any trades? True day. 15 SBS and perfect 618 trades. Yeah, I want to take it, but news hold me back. It's all good, Money Glitch. There's one thing you don't have to feel bad for is not trading during news. It's usually not it's not recommended. So you don't ever have to feel some type of way about that one. Let's look at Brando's 15-minute plan. Yeah. Posted in Pepe's. Well, let's look at Pepe's. Oh yeah, I see it now. Yeah, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Does that line up perfectly with 618? Jesus, yeah. Yeah. Wow. Good stuff. Really good stuff. Wow. Yeah, like I said, well, thanks for confirming my my belief there, Brando, because I'm just like, I'm saying to myself, I'm like, I've seen this market before. I've seen this market where you're too locked into the SMAs, when you're not really paying attention to the actual market structure and like how where momentum is going and the way that price is printing. I'm saying to myself, something about this doesn't feel right. And there we go. Buyers may just want to step in here. Yeah, I have no accounts today. I'm just watching price and showing up every day. Almost perfect. Yeah. I need 1 hour. I just need 1 hour. I can take any time in PM if I don't get it in AM. Are you looking? So money glitch. Do you have some type of goal in mind? Are you trying to pass a combine? Are you trying to get another winning day to get a payout for XFA? Yeah. Tell me what's going on, brother. Yeah, we're pumping here, guys. We're pumping here. We're pumping here. We're pumping here. So making $250 $300 daily, and you're up 800. Are you up 800 today, or are you neutral today? Yeah, because this is shaping up to be low key a weird day. Yeah, I'm thinking that we may sweep this and come back a little bit lower. Or even worse, this could be one of those slow creep up days, to which I don't know any trader that does well in environments like that. 80.50 total. Very good. I'm gonna be honest with you. Once again, I think it's gonna be kind of a hard day. I'm thinking that we might just like slowly buy, like all the way up until it finally like just pops up like that. So yeah, new to Top Step. Hey, very good, man. Very good. I wish I had a code to give you, but I don't worry about shit like that. But yeah, Top Step is amazing. If there was ever a prop firm that I think that every new trader like myself should work with, I think Top Step is it. I don't get paid by Top Step. Those are my honest opinions. Project X is wonderful as long as you're not being a gambling degenerate. A lot of people have problems with Project X. I'm like, I don't see one problem with it. Yeah, it freezes every now and again, but those Top Step will just like, make that shit right. So yeah, I think Top Step is the place to be, which is why I'm only exclusively trading with Top Step right now. I used to trade with Top One Futures, but they got some stuff they gotta iron out. I got a payout from them, and I just left them alone. I don't see a reason to like really try and grow with Top One Futures right now. But yeah, Top Step is the place to be. My Fund of Futures is pretty solid. I know everybody likes to talk about it, but I'm not the biggest fan of Apex. But they pay out, so that's the only thing we're worried about as traders, right? And I think I had somebody in the chat mention Trade Day. Recently, Trade Day is really solid. Haven't traded with Trade Day, but I hear they're pretty solid. Flow with Bavish, what's up, man? How's it going? Past 3 evals will get a pro account with TPT on Monday. Last time I blew an account after passing the eval target. That was a first, even for me. Hey, man. Well, first off, congratulations. If anybody's there, please give a W in the chat for Flow with Bavish, please. If you don't do it, I will. In fact, man, move out my way. I celebrate my people. Hold up, let me for whatever reason, I can't type in the software that I'm using. It's kind of stupid, but let me pull up my stream here. Let me pull up the stream and give you a couple W's there. W. Let's go. 100 emojis. This thing, that thing. W's all around. W. Are you using OBS? Yes, I'm using. I forgot which version this is. I would show it to you, but I don't want it to like. Look weird. Well, I guess I can show you. So I'm using this right here. Using the software right here. So and it doesn't allow me to type into the actual chat, which is it's kind of weird, but it is what it is. Coffee time. Yeah, guys, slow creep up. Please be careful. Please be careful. It's days like this that's really frustrating for a trader, myself included, because it's like, why are we not sweeping lower to go higher? Nope, bulls are just in control and we're just gonna slowly creep up. That's just how days like this is. So please do not FOMO into anything. Don't freak out. But it's looking like we may just do this all morning. Trading is boring in reality, like I have to wait for one setup. Yep. That's how you know you're doing it right, Money Glitch. Andre, good morning. Andre, good morning. If you're just tuning in, I just passed that combine from yesterday. It's gone now. You can't even see it. I'll probably activate it next week. I won't be trading Friday most likely. So there is that. This is the trade that did it. This is the winning trade. Just to let people know that I did take a trade today, so I'll keep this up. This was the trade, and we bounced right back up. So now we're just looking at this slow creep up. Looks like a slow creep up day. Be careful. I've been in this type of PA several times and it's an account killer. Yep. Yeah, something about today did not feel right. Nice. I want to start an accountability stream like you. I want to start an accountability stream like you. Very inspiring. Oh man, I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. Once again, I'm just a guy trying to do better and forcing myself to do better. I've made all the mistakes imaginable and I just got sick of it. So I'm like, let me get out of the dark. Do some trades in the light so I don't, go crazy. But that really means a lot, Bavish. That really means a lot. If I can help somebody out. If I can help somebody out, that's like my main thing. So yeah, very nice. In fact, that made my day. I may just put that comment on Twitter. That made my day. All right, we're getting a really big chomp down here. Stay safe, guys. Stay safe. I don't know what the market wants to do right here. I'm not really in tuned, so I'm gonna just sit back. And plus, I don't have any accounts to trade, so we're just gonna I guess we're just gonna sit here, chat it up for a while. Yeah, we're gonna sit here and chat it up for a minute. I'm looking this big SBS long. Let's see. It has potential. I would love to see this continue upside, to be honest with you. So don't know where your 1-2 is, but I can imagine probably something like 1. And of course, it's not going to be the exact same as you, but I can definitely see an SBS here. 1, 2. Yeah, 3 up here. We can. The problem is I don't know where you want to drag your fib at. You know, that's the only problem. I don't know where you want to drag your fib, but this is what kind of sticks out in my mind personally. You could also take this 1-2 as well. Word text wrap. Left that on. So if price agrees, to which it's a hard trade. I'm not gonna lie, it's a hard trade. From lower end to top. Gotcha. I'm assuming you mean maybe something like this at 259, something like that. I do see a move. Well, this move origin has kind of been mitigated. So I can either see something like this or something like this. Yeah, I can see something like that. Well, I'm in a practice account. I could take it. I could take it to see if we want to see some more upside. We probably got a bearish engulfing here though. So once again, it's just a hard day. So I'm pretty sure that closed bearish engulfing. Yeah, that's a big bearish engulfing too. SMAs are kind of moving to the downside as well. Yeah, once again, I don't want to mess up your flow or anything, but if it wanted to do it, it would have to do it like right now. And let this be your 4. This be your 5. And if this crosses up above this candle here, you probably try and get in, but only if it jumps above there. I'll take it in practice. Why not? It's practice account. Put a limit order, I guess. Stop by 5 if we jump above there. And I would only take it to like 327. Because this is going to be hard. Because once again, the same reason that we took the previous trade. We had a 5-minute bearish engulfing. SMA said that you should remain bearish on the 5-minute. So yeah, we'll see though. We shall see. Technically speaking, you could take the wick. I've seen Stoic use the wick of the move origin as well. So it has tapped this move origin. If it wants to pop up, it can. So let me get rid of this. I'm gonna take this as my move origin for right now. And let's see if price tags us in. It might not. Wow. Remember, being careful of this right here. Being very careful of this. It's looking like that. It's looking like she's refusing to go lower here, but still has potential. Okay, I like that a little bit better actually. Let's make this 5. Let's make this 4 into the move origin. All right, let's make that a perfect 618 then. Then I'll show which SBS. I'll share a screenshot on X. Yeah, sure, go for it. Either way, it's not a bad idea to probably wait for a little bit lower because of that bearish engulfing. But we're also refusing to move lower, like lower. Oh, speak of the devil, never mind. Bears might be in play here. All right, so I'm about to scrap that move origin. Let's well, this is also been mitigated too. There may not be enough steam in this. There may not be enough steam here because we tapped this 1, 2. This is the third time it's kind of tapping this this area right here. So this may be this may just go lower. This may just go way lower. So I'm gonna delete that sell order and see what price wants to do. 329. Oh, yo, you're way lower. Good stuff. No, that's beautiful. Yeah, like 329. Yeah, that's beautiful. It looks like sellers are kind of in the house right now. I just don't think there's enough juice in this area right here. So my fib placement might be wrong. Yeah, my fib placement might be wrong. Yeah. All right, so we are breaking it. Big swing SBS. So did you do something like this? Oh, I see. Be careful with that. 'Cause at this point, if it goes like any lower than this, we're kind of respecting the SMAs on the 5-minute, and we're closing below it on the 20. This could push a little bit lower, but it's your trade, man. It's 50-50. This is just a hard day. It's just a hard day. So I would definitely low risk it. I'm thinking 3 micros at the max on this one. Because if I would have put 3 micros on, like let's say like right here,
Order filled.
and I drag my fib, that's 3 micros. That's $300 already. That's some size for 3 micros. 3 micros, $300 stop. That's some size. That's some size. So yeah,
Order filled.
don't go crazy with that one. Took the same trade. Hey, let's go. Yeah, this could be a hands-off environment forming up. We're back into the range. The 200 is kind of cutting through price a little bit. So just paying attention to what type of market we're in. Are we in a continuation? Are we in an expanded market? Or are we in a ranging market? The ranging market is, I usually like to sit on hands right there. There's no point in trying to bang your head against it. We'll see though. We shall see. Ah, man. If you're wondering, I ain't got nothing. I ain't got nothing. I ain't got nothing. I have no idea what the market wants to do today. I mean, right now. All I can say is trade the plan, plan the trade. Market can do whatever it wants to right here. Stay safe. Stay safe. It happens, Money Glitch. It happens. It certainly happens.
Order filled.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Will it make our dreams come true? It's gotta close above the one, this 20, this green line right there, though. It's gotta do that. Will it make all of our dreams come true? Alright, closer above there. Looks pretty good. Let's see it start to expand now. Very nice. Can we see a 1-to-1? Nah. There's a little bit of potential though. But how much potential is the real question. Now we just need buyers to buy it. Now we just need a buyer. There we go. There we go. Good stuff. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Take a screenshot on practice account. Ha ha. Cool. Break even right there. Can we get one more pump up there? Can we get one more pump? Crazy how easy trading can be when there's no risk involved. All right.
Order filled.
I'm going to take one off. I'm gonna take most of that off. I'm gonna break even and let the rest just run the kingdom come. Cool. There's your trade. 4 micros, $140. Not too bad. This could be a bear setup as well. Yeah, closure above the 20. Refuse to go lower. Expand it up. Good stuff. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. I have no idea why I came so deep into this zone though. Got me. All right, past the combine, and we got a practice trade winner. Good day. Good day. Good day. Good day. Good day, mate. Sorry for all the people that's that's in Australia, in my terrible Americanized accent. I want to do the accent. Good day, mate. Crikey, and all that other nonsense. Good day. Crikey, mate. All right, she's refusing to push, and oh wait, hold on, never mind. The one micro that could. Oh, I have 21 viewers. What do you mean I have 21 viewers? Hey, sound off. Who's there? I want to see your name. And like, comment, subscribe before you leave. I want all 20 of you to subscribe right now, or at least leave a like. We had a really good day today on stream. I passed the combine. There are other people that came in the chat and said, yeah, they passed the combine. Just good vibes in my stream. Good vibes all around. Give your boy a like. Give your boy a subscribe. Comment when the video was done. Share it with your mom. Even though she doesn't trade, share it with your mom. Do all the things. Do all the things. Come on, guys. I want to see your name. Who are you? Who are you people that's watching? I see you. I see you. I will find you. All right, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. What's a scenario? Here we go, yeah. Here we go, yeah. So what's a scenario? Once again, we got the 1-to-1 here. I don't know what else Price wants to do. Like it could make new highs, it could not. I don't know. Be right back, guys.
Order filled.
Not bad, money glitch. Let's see if we can get a little pop from right here. Money glitch is in the trade. Money glitch is in the trade. Very nice. So now that we've done all of that, I'm gonna extend the fib all the way down here. Move this joint over here. Yeah. I would like a lot of price action right here. Doesn't look too bad though. Let me get rid of this fib on the 15-minute, clean that up. Let's see what we can get here. Let's see what we can get here. All IC traders out with this move. Now I'm in. Let's see here. Yeah, we could see a little pop here. We could see a little pop here. Once again, you are kind of going against the flow of the market just a little bit. Just hope that you're not, don't over leverage on this one. The 5-minute, the two lovers are kind of close together. Now they're kind of expanding apart. You're kind of counter trend, but it is what it is. It doesn't look too bad though. I want to see it pop. I want to see it touch this and maybe pop on up. Because what could happen is it could start to speed. So what I'm gonna do is just practice. I'm gonna set a limit buy for 5 right here. I'm gonna set a limit buy for 5 right there. See if we want to get any retracement back up. This is the start of the entire move right here. Tag me in. Tag me in, NASDAQ. I know that's not all you're going to do right there. Just go ahead and tag me in. Go ahead and taggeth me in if I want to pass my combine in 1 month. Very possible. Very possible, very possible, very possible. Let me turn this down before I get another ping in everybody's ear. Okay, this may have left me here. We'll cancel that order for now. Yeah, I'll put it back. Boo boo boo. I'm liking how that looks. All right. Let me get in 5 right there on practice. My stop is all the way at the low right here. Good Lord, that's a lot. And let's see if we can get us slightly above a 1-to-1 on this position. Stops very, very, very generous. And I would like to see anything at 720s would be nice. Anything at that level would be nice. Once again, we're fighting against the trend here. Kind of fighting against the trend here, but we should be good for a pop back up. TP coming soon. I love it. Love the confidence. Love the confidence. Love the confidence. I want to see this pop back up a little bit more. And depending on how the trade is looking, I may just close it. Because once again, we're 30-second is probably against us, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. And the 1 minute isn't against us yet, but it looks like it's about to in a second. And our 5 minute is kind of also against us. So this may be a don't marry it type of trade. This might be a don't marry it for me. All right, so at this point, I'm gonna move my stops at this low right here. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it come back. You know what? Forget it. I'm gonna break even. Yeah, I'm gonna break even right there. I'm risk free on that one, guys. Once again, we're low key offsides. So if buyers decide to give up, you know, I would imagine that sellers will come in and slam this thing. So yeah. Good luck, Money Glitch. Good luck, good luck, good luck. If it's possible, I would try and de-risk just a little bit. Because once again, we can see another smack down even lower. But once again, it's your trade. Don't let me influence you. And of course, I'm on demo, so anything I say is like not all that valid because I have no skin in the game. But yeah. Just be careful, just be careful, just be careful. Like this right here, I didn't want to see this. I'll set my stops to this low. If we can get another flip up, that would be great. Actually, no, this is a break. I'm gonna break even on that. It's either go right here or not. I'm not sitting through that. I'm not sitting through that. I'm not sitting through that. Yeah, I need that to go like now. I do not like that cross right there. I do not like that at all. I don't like that at all. Money Glitch, I would take some off the table. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna be honest with you. I would de-risk. I would take some partials. This doesn't look all that great. I'm risk free, but I'm just letting you know right now. This doesn't look terribly good. Any push up from here, I'd probably trail stops. I'm not scared. It's 1-to-1 easy. All right, very good. Hey, your trade. That's what I like to hear, Money Glitch. That's what I like to hear. And also, I think it's because my 1-to-1 is like very wide. I just can't see price coming all the way up to 780s right now. So that's probably why I'm like, I don't know about this one. I'm mostly a P shooter. You know, if I was up 5 micros in this position, I saw this, I probably would have closed, to be honest with you. But, yeah. Looks like this one might hit my break even, and I may just be done for today. I'm bullish for today. Yeah, we do have some targets to the upside. It's just that in the interim. Ooh. Buyers. Buyers in the house. Buyers in the house. Ooh, buy at NASDAQ. Get my boy Money Glitch's TP. Let's go. Get him his TP. Get him his TP. Give him his TP. He deserves it. This is just so definitive, though. You see, need $100 to pass the combine. Money Glitch, I passed it. Yeah, the combine is passed. Yeah, I passed it with my first trade of the morning. I can't even see the so when you pass a combine on Top Step, what they'll do is if you meet the profit target, they'll just delete the account. So as you can see, all these ineligibles, these are my busted combines. All these ineligible joints right here, you know, they're ineligible. But yeah, everything else is gone. Yeah, Money Glitch, where were you at? Where were you? Yeah, I think I passed that 950, kind of that 950 candle, something like that. I took this right here. This bearish engulfing. Made a couple points. Boom, bow. Nice and easy. 2 micros. Push down. Got the $80. And that was up. Wow, you can remove it. Remove what? Hello, dude. Abdul, what's up, man? What's up? Yeah, as you can see, we're in practice right now. And right now, Money Glitch is showing me up because, oh my goodness, we are pumping. We are really pumping here. After I just said that you should take partials, and this is why you trustyourtrade.com. Oh, your favorite accounts, yeah, true. Trust your trade, Money Glitch. I love it. Hey, yo, order filled though. There we go, order filled. Very nice. That's one for the books right there. You still in, Money Glitch, or was your stops a little bit longer? Take a selling trade. I'm assuming that you're saying that you're about to look for a sell. Very possible. Very possible. I'm in 1-to-1. You didn't get your 1-to-1 yet? TP not hit yet? Oh man. Did you break even? What's your entry? And what's your stop? Or better yet, just send me a screenshot on X. Cause I'm a little confused. That's a range, isn't it? That is a range for your ass right there. Good stuff though, Money Glitch. Good stuff. I'm very interested to see what your charts will look like though. Oh man, I wish I would have taken that on the actual account, but I don't have an actual account. Ah. So, how much you made today, bro? Nothing. I passed the combine today. And you know, if you know, you pass combine accounts, they just get rid of it until you activate the XFA. I'll probably just activate the XFA to probably next Monday, hopefully, if I have the cash for it. If not, it definitely sometime next week. Definitely sometime next week. But yeah. So technically 0, but we got another account to play with, so there's that. And we're coming down. 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 That was a nice little pump there, though. A little buyer's last stand. Little last stand for the buyers right there. All right, price, don't start to get wonky now. Go right back up. You know you want to. This is such a weird day. This is a weird day. All right, guys, I gotta go on mute, but I'll still keep the stream open. Be right back. Alrighty, guys, it is time to get out of here. Price is just doing whatever it wants to at this point. So, yeah. I'm going to call it a day. Hope everybody stays safe and all that good stuff. Money Glitch, please tell me you broke even or took some profit. Please. I would hope so, brother. It looks like we're cascading downward now. Up and down and down and around, so. Yeah. Bye-bye. Alright, guys. I will see you in the next one. Peace. Peace, 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 peace.